Hello everybody, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. This is Felix, and today I'm at the Fort Lauderdale International Airport. I found a great location where to photograph and film airplanes landing and taking off. So let me share this location with you guys. If you're in the area and you want to get some cool shots, this is the place to be. This is short-term parking. This is the top of a parking garage. It's $3 per hour to park here, and let me show you what you get. So this is a Cypress parking garage. This is the top level. And it's a very unobstructed location. The camera has a clear view of the runway, the north side runway and the south side runway. You can actually go this way. And on the other side, you can see the other runway, but I'm on this side right now because the sun would be in my shot. So I'm gonna be filming in this direction. So see, there's an airplane coming in to land right now. And you have a beautiful view of the ships, the ocean, and Port Everglades in the background as they are coming in. And today's Sunday, so it's a busy day, so I'm hoping to catch a lot of airplanes landing and taking off. See, right from there you can catch the touchdown. And it's a really good spot. And then if you're catching them taking off, then they're starting right about here. And the takeoff's kind of far. They'll be like around that area there. So I'm just mainly gonna focus on landings. And just a couple of random shots of whatever I can see. There's downtown Fort Lauderdale. So yeah, that's about it. This is the Sony A1 shooting internally 8K 70 to 200 2.8 lens, and I have a fluid head, same setup as before. There we go. And this is right by Terminal 1 at the entrance of the airport, and then Terminal 2 is right over there. Started, and I will post samples of the videos that I take from this location shortly. So hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.